New rental coming soon. It's gonna be 2 bed, 1 bath. We're starting the rehab tomorrow. Well, today, I'm sorry. We're gonna do demo, take out all these floors, put some new laminate. 2 bedroom, 1 bath. Let me know if y'all interested. Send me an inbox or comment down below for more information. If y'all interested in this room. Again, it's 2 bedroom, 1 bath in Lafayette. What's up, everybody? We're here at the property, looking at some water damage. As y'all can see right here, the washer and dryer was right here. It just had leaks. It wasn't fixing it, so about to take all these screws up and then see what the problem is. Might have some floor joist issues, so we're about to check it out. Checking up on one of my properties. We just started this rehab actually today, so I just wanted to give y'all an update. I don't think I ever gave y'all a tour of this house, so I'll try to give y'all a tour as well. It's a house I bought in a package of 3. I think it was about maybe a month ago, if that. I think it was right at a month. And so I bought 3 houses, and these 2 houses are next door to each other. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. They rent at $650 a month. I bought them at, I think, $27 a piece. I bought them both at $52,000, so it's a pretty good deal. I usually don't buy 2 bedrooms, but this is a good deal. I couldn't pass up, and the cash flow is there. So, well, let me show y'all around. This right here, it's a small house. It's not the biggest house. It's the living room. It's kind of dark. The fan kind of broken, so can't show that the light. Can't put on the light. Here we had the kitchen. We had a little, let me show you. We had a little water damage issue. As you can see, the washer and dryer was here, so it was leaking. It was leaking all right here, and I guess. Okay, back to my story. I had a phone call. They had water damage right here, and I guess the tenant didn't tell the previous landlord. The tenant just moved out like 2 weeks ago, so I don't think the tenant told the landlord, or the landlord didn't fix it, but whatever. Now we stuck with it. So we getting it right. The floor was rotten. As y'all can see, I think they had a, I don't know what they had, but anyway, we will come back with some 2x6s, make sure the floor is level, come back with some laminate on top, make it look all nice. You know how we do. And this job is really not that bad. I know it looks horrible, but it's fairly easy job. Same thing in this room. The kitchen on the other side, so it came underneath the wall and it rotten this subfloor as well. So just wanted to show y'all a little something. Again, this house is a 2 bedroom, 1 bath. That's room number 1. Nice size room. Small little hallway. We have the bathroom here. We have to change the subfloor in this as well. Toilet here, probably had a little water leak. Definitely taking the shower out. Again, there's only 1 bathroom in the house, so I'm gonna put a tub, towel all the way up. It's very inconvenient if a family has kids, they can't take a shower, so I'm gonna put a tub. I don't want to eliminate potential renters for just having a shower. This is the other bedroom. Again, take all this flooring out, come back, run some laminate. So this project should take maybe a week, 2 weeks, if that. Small stuff. Change the floors, and then come back and paint. Pretty simple, not really hard. Kitchen all the way over there. We're just gonna repaint the cabinets back white, and it'll look all nice. So just wanted to give you a little tour, a little update of this property. Should be done again, like I said, a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, if that. But we see how it goes. You know, construction always get delayed. So y'all stick with me, and if it's your first time viewing my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and follow me on my journey. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.